Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, now let's swipe down from the top of our screen twice, and this will show you a bunch of toggles. We are looking for the hotspot toggle, so it should be visible on one of the pages, hopefully. If it's not, we will need to add it ourselves. And it looks like it's not. So let's click right here on this pen. We're gonna swipe down and we have our hotspot visible right here. So you wanna hold it. You can see it lifts up and now we can drag it above here, drop it, go back, and you have access to it right now. Next, hold this toggle again now in here, and this will take you to the settings where you'll want to most likely start with the hotspot password. Now the reason you want to start with it is because it's randomly generated mumbo jumbo, so let's get rid of this one and then set up our new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in a length that can be letters or numbers, or both. Anyway, I'm gonna click on OK. You can change other options as well that are in here, but I recommend keeping them as they are set by default if you don't know what they are. This will ensure that the hotspot works with the widest array of devices. So next we're just gonna close this and then find the toggle once more and simply tap on it to turn on your hotspot whenever you want. Once you're done, you can just find this toggle once more, tap on it again. Before I do so, I want to check something. Okay, so that's on. So I wanted to check this. As you can see, I didn't turn off the hotspot. Oh, that's weird. Okay, so it actually can run both Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time. So as for a moment thinking that it might turn off the hotspot, but luckily that's not the case. Now, to turn off your hotspot yourself, you can just tap on the toggle once more. Obviously, this just disables it, and yeah, you might want to remember about it. In the settings, it's set to automatically do it after a period of inactivity, but still you can do it yourself before that timer runs out. Now this just kind of preserves your battery life from being drained too much, as hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery. Now in any case, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.